Hello students, welcome to Study with Nivi, the easiest way to learn. And I'm your learning partner Nivi ma'am. आज की इस वीडियो में हम कर रहे हैं केस स्टडी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय cbse. ये एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम में they will be constituting 4 questions. Question number 17 से लेके 20 तक you will be having case study related questions. डरने की बात नहीं है. These are just application based questions. बहुत easy होते हैं. Just subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing one question daily over here. यहाँ पर आप मेरे साथ जुड़िए. हम यहाँ पर रोज एक क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे so that you're so sure about it while doing that in your board exam. तो बढ़ते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन की तरफ. Question is saying Girish wants to over here you can see that paragraphs भी दिए होते हैं. If in case you have time then you can read them out, otherwise you can just simply skip them out जहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि ये काम की चीज नहीं. So now Girish wants to participate in a 200-meter sprint. He can currently run that distance in 45 seconds, but he wants to do that in under 30 seconds. With each day of practice, it takes him 2 seconds less. Respond to the above situation by answering the question given below. तो यहाँ पर इन टाइप के क्वेश्चन में आपको मिलती है internal choice, and believe me, choices they are always beneficial to us. So now what they have given you, they have given you 5 questions. Out of those 5, you need to attempt only 4 of them. So 1 marks, each question carries 1 marks over here. So be wise, you just need to attempt, मतलब multiple choice है तो you just need to answer the questions, but it's still better if you solve them. Now which of the following forms an AP? तो यहाँ पे पहले क्वेश्चन को समझते हैं. क्वेश्चन कहता है गिरीश जो है वो 200 मीटर की स्प्रिंट को कवर कर सकते हैं in 45 seconds. But what is his goal? यहाँ पर उनका गोल कहता है कि वो इसको करना चाहते हैं only in 30 seconds. तो उसके लिए करना क्या है? They are saying that with each day of practice, हर रोज अगर वो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो it takes him 4 seconds less. तो मतलब अगर आज उन्होंने उस स्प्रिंट को कवर किया है in 45 seconds, the next day he will be covering it in 43 seconds, and second day he would be covering it in, the third day he would be covering it in 41 seconds, 39 and so on. तो यहाँ पर जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is a question related to your chapter number 5, which is arithmetic progression. So let's start with solving this question. We now know the basic of this particular question. So now coming to your question, part number A. Part number A says which of the following forms an AP for the above given situation. Above given situation की आप अगर खुद AP बनाना चाहे तो कैसे बनाएंगे? In the first day, right now we are talking about day 1. Day 1 he takes 45 seconds, right? Day 2 he would be taking 2 seconds less, which means 43 seconds. Day 3 he would be taking again 2 seconds less, which means 41 seconds. So right now we know that this particular AP has the first term, that is A, as 45, then the next term as 43, next one as 41 and so on. And over here we can observe that the common difference D over here is equals to minus 2. Right? We are reducing 2 seconds per day. So right now we can see, we can observe over here, यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारी AP जो है उसका sequence जो है that is 45, 43 and 41, and according to this we can obviously say that option number 3 is the correct option. बहुत इजी था. I was telling you कि ये बहुत आसान होने वाला है. Just keep practicing along with me. Over here every day you will find one question. Now coming on to your second question, part number B says what is the minimum number of days he need to practice till his goal is accomplished. So what is his goal? उसका goal क्या था? To do this sprint, इस अपना ये जो sprint है उसको complete करना है in 30 seconds, right? तो वो पूछ रहे हैं हमको कितना टाइम लगेगा टू कंप्लीट दिस पर्टिकुलर स्प्रिंट इन 30 सेकेंड्स. तो लेट्स राइट अ एपी अगेन. हमारा एपी क्या था यहाँ पर? इट वाज 45, 43, 41, so on, and we need to tell the number of days it would take him to reach 30 seconds. ठीक है, 30 seconds वो कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट कर पाएगा. सो नाउ ओवर A over here that the first term is 45. A2 we are knowing, A3 we are knowing. We need to find N for 30. हमें यहाँ पर बताना है कितने नंबर ऑफ डेज लगेंगे. सो ऑब्वियसली व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ओवर हियर, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द जनरल फॉर्मूला, द जनरल टर्म ऑफ एन एपी which says an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Now what is an over here? An is given to us as 30. We need to find n for 30, right? A यहाँ पर क्या है? A क्या होता है? It is the first term of an AP, so we are going to place 45 plus n. We need to find out. We leave it as it is. And what is d over here? अभी हमने पीछे डिस्कस किया था. D was -2. That is a2 minus a1 और a3 minus a2. कुछ भी कॉमन डिफरेंस आपको यहाँ निकालना है. तो d is equals to -2, which makes it 30 minus 45 is equals to n minus 1 into -2, which gives you -15 is equals to n minus 1 into -2, which makes it n minus 1. -2 को आप लेके जा रहे हैं on your left hand side, and this becomes -15 divided by -2, which obviously will give you 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Good. Is equals to n minus 1. Usually जब हमारा n fraction में आता है, we say that this particular term does not exist. तो obviously 30 जो है, you can observe over here कि इस particular sequence का term है ही नहीं, इस particular AP का term नहीं होने वाला है, but still we need to find कि अगर उनको 30 करना है तो उनको कितना time लगेगा. So right now we can write over here n is equals to 7.5 minus 1 goes to the left hand side and it becomes plus 1, which makes it n is equals to 8.5, right? So he would take 8.5 days, मतलब 8 complete days and 1/2 day to reach his goal, that is of 30 seconds. Okay, so n is equals to 8.5 over here, which says that option number 2 is correct over here. Okay, आपको एग्जाम में सिर्फ यहाँ पर आंसर लिखने हैं. इवन गिविंग द आंसर विल गिव यू फुल मार्क्स ओवर हियर, बट इट्स बेटर ऑब्वियसली टू सॉल्व दीज पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस, राइट? नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू योर पार्ट नंबर सी. ओके, part number C says which of the following term is not in the AP of the above given situation. अभी भी हमने ऑब्जर्व किया, this was really easy. अभी भी हमने ऑब्जर्व किया that 30 was not the term of the sequence. ये जो AP हमें given था 30 was not the term of the sequence. 30 जो है for 30 n was equal to 8.5, which means 30 is not the term. तो ये हमने relate कर लिया. हमने अभी भी जो solve किया था उससे we could relate that 30 is not the term or in this AP, the given AP, right? So हमें इसको ज़्यादा solve करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. I told you it's easy. Now coming to our part number D. Part number D says if x, y, z are in the AP, then x minus y divided by y minus z is equal to. Seems like a bit tricky question, but tricky है नहीं. What does that mean? See over here, look. X minus, you're given x, y and z, they are in AP, right? So what is the value of d over here? If these particular three terms are in AP, then we can say that d is equals to, this is your A, this is your A2, this is your A3. So d is equals to A2 minus A1 or A2 minus A simply, which makes it y minus x, right? Clear till over here? And again d is equals to, बाकी और d आप क्या लिख सकते हो? d is equals to A3 minus A2, which makes it z minus y, correct? Now see what they have asked you over here is find the value of x minus y divided by y minus z, which can be written as, what is x minus y equal to? If you take a minus common, ये यहाँ पर अगर आप देखो, you compare it with the value of d over here, you can see that it is the negative of d. मतलब कि अगर मैं इसमें से minus common निकालूं, let's do it. Suppose we are taking minus common, you will get minus y minus x, and similarly this can be written as z minus y, right? And what are these both equal to from equation number 1 and 2? Equation number 1 and 2 से हम देख सकते हैं they both are equal to minus d divided by minus d, right? Which makes it equal to 1. Good. So over here you can see that d upon d is equals to 1, which means the value of x minus y divided by y minus z is going to be 1. Dekha? I told you everything is easy over here. Just you need to think about it. Sirf apply karna hai and things will get easier. So option number 3 is correct over here. Now coming on to our last part number E for this case study. Yeah, they are asking you the nth term of the sequence a plus d, a plus 2d is. They're just asking you the formula, right? They're just asking you the formula, and formula says कि अगर आपको इस AP का nth term बताना है, the formula would be a plus n minus 1 into da. formula हम बहुत टाइम से करते आ रहे हैं. So right now option number 3 is correct. तो आप इन पांचों में से जिस भी ऑप्शन के लिए कॉन्फिडेंट हो, मतलब जिस भी क्वेश्चन के लिए कॉन्फिडेंट हो, यू कैन अटेम्प्ट दोज 4 क्वेश्चंस. इन 5 में से कोई भी 4 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं जहां पे आपको लगता है कैलकुलेशन कम होने वाली है. रीड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस and then attempt them. So do subscribe to my channel if in case you want to practice these type of questions, you want to have a look at these type of questions again. So do subscribe to the channel, like and comment for any queries. Thank you so much for connecting with Study with Nivi.